This is how to make this color highlight muscle effect in Premiere Pro. Duplicate your video layer and select it. Now in effects controls, make sure you're at the start of the clip. Under opacity, click on the pen tool and then create a mask for the muscle you want to highlight. And if you hold the left mouse button, you can curve the lines. Now to track the movement of the muscle, simply click on the play button next to mask path. Premiere will now automatically track the muscle, and if the mask starts to track wrong, you can stop it and adjust it. A pro tip is to click on the forward button to track forward one frame, and then check if the mask continues to track correctly. And you can always go back and adjust the mask and overwrite the keyframes. Once it's finished, we should have our muscle isolated on the top layer. Now to add color to it, right click and create a color matte, and now select the color you want to highlight the muscle with. Now drag the color matte above the clips and then select the video layer with the tracked mask on it. Under opacity, click on mask 1 and then copy it. Now select the color matte and click on opacity again and then paste the mask. We should now see the color on the muscle and you can delete the second video layer. This is how it looks so far. To blend the color with the muscle, select the color matte and in effects controls, change the blend mode to something like overlay. Now it looks way better, but there are still a few settings to make it look even better. And I will show you them in a second. You can of course also create keyframes for the opacity to fade in and out the muscle highlight. And if you want to change the color, you can easily double click on the color matte and then select a different color. To improve the look even more, you can increase the mask feather to smoothen out the mask. And you can also change the mask expansion if you like. And we've now created this muscle color highlight effect.